Hello everyone, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel MWH54 Mothers Without Helpers. The Lord is our strength. Please subscribe, feel free to like the video, share it to all your loved ones, and also tell us what you think. We really appreciate your support. Thank you. Mr. And it's a first timer. Please, Mr. Subscribe, mommy. Subscribe and be part of the family. And a baby turmeric powder. Ya titi and one same baby. Me jidi se wati. State bibi wa wife friend turmeric powder. One who been so pain. Say a mono anasi a day powder. And no me pesa menu wichi. Recently, Anna Miss me coming across me pesa. Ye share kwan be fa so a ye able to me dey powder most at times the process no you can't trust it too much because that is me, and so I decided to make the powder myself, though I have one already made by me person me. The weather is too hot, so I decided to take the opportunity of it and make it myself into ubasha turmeric na me ho kama and I'm annoyed. If you try and I'm go again. Within just 4 days, because the weather is hot, you see, our is very, very hard and dried. Oven so I obey to me the shame. And so a bit dry, come my blend we. Now me person me very refined. Into me say me huhuso. Into me blend kakra. Na me huhuso. Na de me an sheda anyam no particles na wo mu no masa blend me yen sa be 3 times na me nya no very smooth we de opebia obetumi de aye me so opesa we ya obetumi ahata no fresh no anso so a e ma no e wo ntem me so wo no e ma no wo ntem weda na yesi ya wo bibia obetumi adwene ho a hata e be ya na wa try awe se e be boa nti sisi at American ya wiu na wutwitwa na wahata eno within 1 week na turmeric ready me de bi egu nsuom na ma tasty na ma hwe de me amaye wo fie no since it is served as a very good detoxic no and amaye kakra no so when you me video one subscribe mommy, feel free to share and also come and be part of the family. See you in our next video. Bye.